wanted to point something quick out to you. I was assembling the Bora Universal Mobile Base to my Rikon stand for the bandsaw, and noticed that the holes actually lined up perfect on the center corner bracket with the holes in the bottom of the leg of the stand. So that worked out great for me. Just thought I'd pass that on, as that will make it a little more stable and a little more secure, locking that into the metal plate. There it is, my Rikon 10 324 put together. After some final adjustments and tweaking, I got everything dialed in, 90 degrees, parallel, so on and so forth. So we'll see how it goes. I got to figure out exactly where I'm going to put it, but for now it's going to go sort of right here at the door on this mobile base, and we'll hopefully have a lifetime of enjoyment cutting out curves. So, all right, this is Chris with Christcross Crafts. Out.